Hi, I'm Stephen Buescher, and I'm part of the team behind the AVL Simulation Suite. It's my pleasure today to introduce you to our latest release, 2026 R1. Let's take a look together at some of the highlights and new features in this release. The new 2026 R1 AVL VSM release presents more realistic off-road simulations for all vehicle types driving on 3D terrain, from passenger cars to multi-axle and special vehicles. Improved ride and comfort physics are achieved by our updated suspension, dedicated simulation setups, and the interface with external tyre models. The streamlined user experience for customizing parameters supports the simulation process of different applications using AVL VSM. Refined brake control improves brake performance simulation, and the new tyre temperature model supports sports cars development. This video shows the conversion of an existing VSM vehicle to a new model with enhanced off-road vehicle physics when driving on fully 3D terrain, considering both office and driving simulator environments. The enhanced modeling allows passenger cars and multi-axle vehicles to respond more naturally to uneven, deformable, and highly variable surfaces, improving driver immersion and predictive accuracy. This is particularly relevant for scenarios involving steep gradients, road obstacles, and soft soil conditions, where precise force distribution and body motion are critical to realism. The improved physics ensures consistent and reliable behavior across complex vehicle configurations, providing a robust foundation for high-fidelity simulation, enabling engineers and operators to evaluate performance, off-road scenarios, and vehicle limits with confidence. The new release significantly advances VSM ride and comfort simulation by refining the underlying vertical dynamics of the vehicle, starting by enabling dedicated external tyre models. Updated VSM suspension modeling delivers a more accurate representation of vertical body motion, particularly in the frequency range that dominates perceived ride quality. New vertical compliance setups allow engineers to better reproduce the interaction of road inputs and the vehicle body and occupants. In addition, a flexible integrator frequency parametrization and a dedicated VSM ride and comfort simulation setup enable a more comprehensive representation of different road excitations, enhancing confidence in simulation results across a wide range of applications, considering the road influences on vehicle body and occupants. Let's take a look at some of the tyre options. The user has the flexibility to interface to dedicated ride and comfort external tyre models. Directly in the suspension parametrization area, the new suspension compliance data can be set for different components, all included in VSM GUI. VSM config enables the dedicated ride and comfort simulation setup and to change the flexible integrator frequency value. The refined VSM brake control can be found in chassis brakes. By activating and setting the hydraulic delay, the user can set its values to front and rear, or different vehicle sides, improving the brake performance simulation for critical and transient conditions. The new VSM tyre temperature model supports sports cars development. By activating this feature that is part of VSM High Performance version, different testing and tyre parameters are displayed, enabling the user to set the prediction of tyre temperature for lap time simulations. If you would like to find out more about any of the features shown in the video today, or any of the other highlights from the release, You can check our website, avl.com, or look on our simulation blog. See you at the next release.